Y'all, this is Captain Diesel here coming to you live um, with another original workout in which I personally created. Um, this workout consists of um, primarily strength and shoulder mobility, along with lactic tolerance and conditioning and technique. And the workout I'm going to be doing today is called Early Bird Wednesday, and it consists of a descending rep scheme of 21, 15, and then 9 one-arm kettlebell swings. Of course, you have to alternate arms each rep, and followed by 10 strict presses. Like for example, I do 21 one-arm kettlebell swings followed by 10 strict presses, then 15 one-arm kettlebell swings followed by 10 strict presses, then 9 of the kettlebell swings followed by 10 strict presses, and so forth. And this workout is for time, and I'll demonstrate those two movements to you right now. Here we go. All right, so the first movement we got is the one-arm kettlebell swings. How that's gonna go is, first things first, I'll be using this rucksack in place of the kettlebell. But how that one-arm kettlebell swing is gonna go is, there's two variations to doing this movement, i.e. alternating arms each rep. Like for example, like a regular kettlebell swing, you know, height back, swing it at eye level. Now, to alternate arms, you can either do it from the bottom, like swing at eye level, switch, swing it again, or you can switch arms. You can switch arms as you complete that rep. A kettlebell swing, like for example, and that equals 1. And I'll be doing a descending rep scheme of 21, 15, and then 9. The reps of that movement. The second movement that I'm going to demonstrate to you, which I'll be doing in today's workout, is the strict press. And how that's going to go is, you'll be starting from the ground, obviously. Go through a couple of Bergners, deadlift that, dip, shrug, dip, shrug, high pull, dip, shrug, high pull, clean, and then from there, with no bending involved at the knees or legs, just drop that barbell straight overhead and lock out, and make sure you push your head through. However, you can use your legs as you bring in the barbell down. However, you can't use your legs when you're pressing that bar up, though. Like for example, like say I'm on my 7th rep, and I decide to push press. I decide to bend my knees, bend my legs, knowing I'm supposed to do a strict press. That's considered a no rep, because you have to use your upper body strength to press that bar up. Another example, Like I say, I go for that strict press. I drive it, but I don't lock out at the top. And don't push my head through. That's also no rep. You want to make sure you lock out. And make sure your arms lock out at the top. And you push your head through after each rep. And that's strict press. I'll be doing 10 reps of that movement. All for time. Once again, none of the reps have to be unbroken, but it is beneficial. And I encourage every single one of you to make an attempt to do all your reps unbroken. I mean, even if you have to split up your reps in 2, 3 different sets, that's fine too. And you are allowed to rest as needed, but make sure you transition back to the barbell as quick as possible. And make sure you focus on technique as well. I can't stress that. I can't stress that enough. What was I gonna say? Man, I lost my train of thought again. But yeah, you definitely want to get through your reps as efficiently as efficient as possible. But you also want to take your time and do each repetition correctly in order to prevent and avoid injuries, and injury especially in the shoulder. Because like I said, this is a shoulder and upper body workout today with some conditioning and lactic tolerance. And you definitely want to set a goal. You want to try to finish this workout in under 15 minutes. Between 10 and sub 10 and sub 15. Preferably sub 15, because you never know. I like to be safe, on the safe side, and and just say sub 15 minutes. But even if it takes you the whole 15 minutes or the whole 10 minutes to finish this workout, progress is progress and effort is effort. That's all, and that's what counts. So just go out there and give it your best and have fun while doing it. Without further ado, here's today's workout. Early Bird Wednesday. Let's get it. Whew. That was today's workout. Early Bird Wednesday. Finished that a little quicker than I anticipated. But bravo, Zulu, on my part. On my end, you know. Yeah, actually, I finished this in sub 5 minutes. But yeah, it was pretty fun workout, especially for upper body strength and shoulder mobility as well. And I encourage every single one of you to give this workout a try. It's called Early Bird Wednesday. It consists of descending rep scheme of 21, 15, and 9. One arm alternating kettlebell swings, followed by 10 strict presses after each round. And once again, it's all about technique. I can't stress that enough. And technique, one of the most important things to learn in any, not just the strict, in any functional movement you do, especially the strict press and one arm kettlebell swing, or any variation of the kettlebell movement you do, whether it's kettlebell snatches, kettlebell presses, American kettlebell swings, Russian kettlebell swings, kettlebell thrusters. Ring muscle ups. Double unders. Any functional movement, you name it. And technique is very important. The speed and the accuracy will come as you master the technique of each functional movement. Yeah, you definitely want to set a goal for yourself in this workout to finish it, to complete this. Yeah, you definitely want to set a goal for yourself to finish this workout in sub 10, if not that, sub 15. However long it takes you to complete the workout, just give it your best effort and put in the work, because in the end, that's what counts. Because once again, one rushed rep leads to many, and the eventual one rushed rep um, leads to many, which will eventually lead to injuries, which we want to avoid at all times by focusing on technique. And doing each repetition of a functional movement the correct way. And one lazy rep equals a no rep, especially in CrossFit competitions, which in turn could cost you a few points in CrossFit competitions as well. What was, I lost my train of thought once again. So yeah, you get some time today and check out today's workout. It's called Early Bird Wednesday. 21, 15, 9, one arm alternating kettlebell swings, followed by 10 strict presses after each round. And if you don't have a barbell, you can use dumbbells or a rucksack, like me. If you don't have a kettlebell, you can also use that rucksack for your kettlebell swing as well. Morning.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
All right.
As I was saying, weight is weight. And I know what you're thinking, or how some people say, oh, that doesn't count. You're supposed to use a barbell with the prescribed weight on it. Screw that. Weight is weight. All right, don't get it twisted. Especially when hitting your 1 rep max with the following lifts, especially that clean and jerk. Like say I hit a new PR or 1 rep max of 245, a 245 clean and jerk. But I use 35s instead of 45s. I still hit, but people tell me that doesn't count, that it didn't count because I didn't use the 45 pound bar plates. Weight is weight. I don't care if you use all 35 pound plates. I don't care if you use a pair of 45 pound plates, a pair of 35s, and a pair of 10s. Weight is weight. I can't stress that enough. always celebrate your progress, no matter what, no matter how big or small, and keep striving to do better. Each and every day, even if you have to take one step at a time. That's better not um, than not making any than not taking any steps at all. And one more thing I want to leave y'all with today is this. The only thing that's standing between you and your goals. Hold up. I just lost my train of thought again. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, the only thing that's standing in the way of you and your goals is your bullshit excuses as to why you think you can't achieve them. Therefore, never be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone, and never be afraid to learn from your mistakes. And even if you fail the first time, failure doesn't mean you lost, but failure is an opportunity for improvement. I.e., striving continue to strive for greatness. And charging harder and working harder after your failure. And when you do succeed, when you finally do accomplish your goals, don't stop there. There's no limit to what you can do. Believe in yourself and keep setting goals for yourself. And no matter how challenging or difficult, keep striving for greatness. Straight up. And that was my daily devotion, or should I say daily post-workout devotion for today. Until next time, I'm Captain Diesel. Keep grinding and keep putting in that work. And I appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Until then, it all starts with you. It's rehab time. Let's get it.